Yes, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ahmad Sharafuddin Bisasdi. My metric number is 2023188053. Today I want to explain about the plant propagation. Okay, first I want to explain about the introduction of plant propagation. Plant propagation is the process of creating a new plant from the single parent plant. There are two types of the plant propagation. First is sexual propagation and asexual propagation. There are many reasons to propagate the plant. Some of the common reasons include to increase the number of plant, to propagate a rare difficult to find plant, to create a new variety of the plant, and also to save the plant. And plant propagation can be a fun and rewarding hobby. With a little practice, you can propagate your own plant and enjoy the fruit of your own labor. Next is sexual reproduction. Introduction for the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is the process by which two parents combine their genetic material to produce offspring. This is a process to involve the fusion of the male gamete and the female gamete, which a specialized reproductive cell of the offspring produced by the sexual reproduction are genetically unique, and they are inherit of the combination of genes of the each parent. In a plant, sexual reproduction take a place in the flower. The flower is the reproduction organ of the plant and the contain both of the male female gamete. The male gamete is produced in the ether, and the female gamete is produced in the ovules. So, sexual reproduction in the plant is a complex process, but it's essential for the reproduction of plant. It allows production of the new plant with the wide range genetic variation, which can be benefit for the survival and species in the changing environment. Okay, third is asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction is the process of creating new plants, also creating a new plant for the vegetative part of the plant. This can be done by taking cutting, layering, division of the grafting. Asexual propagation result in the new plant are genetically identical to the parent plant. In the plant sexual reproduction, it can be the variety of way, including stem cutting, layering, division, grafting, and micropropagation. So right now I want to explain about the advantage and disadvantage of asexual reproduction. So first is a very effective way to advantage to produce a offspring. A single parent can be produce many offspring in the short amount of time. Second, asexual reproduction does not require a mate, so it can be done even there are no other individual at the same species around. Third, asexual reproduction is less likely to introduce harmful mutation into the population. So now about the disadvantage of sexual reproduction. First, asexual reproduction does not produce any genetic variety. This means that the main offspring are clone of the parent, and they will be suitable to the same disease and the pest. Second, asexual reproduction can lead to the overpopulation. If too many individuals are reproduced, there are many complete to resource and eventually die off. Okay, now finally is about the propagation of the spatial structure of the plant. It's a tissue culture. So tissue culture is a type asexual propagation involved in the growth of the plant cell, tissue or organ in the sterile environment on the nutrient medium. This technique allows for the production of a large number of the plant from the single parent plant and is often used to propagate plant that difficult to propagate by the other method. So that's all for me. Thank you. Now for the plant propagation Mangifera indica and Busida molitia. First you need a soil, a seed, and the empty container. Okay, now just put a soil into the empty container and dip the hole for the Basidium mollitia seed. Just don't dip too deep. Just put 1 or 2 seed into the container and flatten the soil, and just watering once a day to seed to grow up. Okay, same goes to Mangifera indica seed. Just put the seed into the container with the soil and just keep the soil wet, watering for once a day for the plant to grow up. Okay, thank you. Now I want to explain about the Mangifera indica. Same goes method. Just dip the hole and put the seed and flatten. So the watering once a day to for the indica for grow up. Thank you.